So here's the purchase I wasn't sure about. After seeing this all over social media, I decided to give it a try. It is a ball hitch mount called QBM from Juggernaut Designs. I've seen other products using flimsy flags and suction cups, or flag poles with many parts and 15-minute instruction videos. This one doesn't need any tools, and you don't need to remove your ball hitch either. Just slip it on your ball. Tighten the knob so it's rock solid, and you're done. Best part, it's not just an over-engineered flag pole holder. With their hitch switch, you can run a chase light for those fun trips in the desert, or a whip for riding in the dunes. Needless to say, I was pleasantly surprised, and rock-solid build quality laid to rest all my doubts. If you are an overlander, you'll love it.